Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the control board in your range. The control board is the brains of the oven. It regulates power to the oven elements, initiates self-cleaning, and displays time and temperature settings. If the board is faulty, it might affect one or more of these functions. A lot of problems can also be caused by other components, so it's best to do some tests first. You can learn more in the troubleshooting videos linked below. Control boards are pretty simple to replace, but are non-returnable after installation. So if you're not sure that the control board is faulty, then it's best to call a professional. Now, if you're confident that the control board is the problem, then let's get started. To begin, you might need a screwdriver, a nut driver, gloves, and a flat putty knife. If you need a new control board, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. Check to see if the control board comes with a button overlay. If it doesn't come with an overlay, you might have to order one separately. If needed, you can reuse the existing overlay. But if you're not careful, it might become damaged when removed from the old control board. Always be safe and disconnect the power at the breaker. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Gently pull the range slightly away from the wall. As soon as there's enough room, go in behind and unplug it from the receptacle. Make sure that there isn't too much tension on the cord. Now, slide the range all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the oven is a cover panel. Some models have a small panel near the top and a larger panel near the bottom. Now remove the screws. The panel will likely be sitting on several hooks. Simply lift up to remove the panel. To remember where each wire goes, it's best to take a picture for reference. Now disconnect the wires. Next, unscrew the mounting screws. Now remove the control board. If you're reusing the old overlay, you'll have to separate it from the control board. Insert the putty knife under the overlay and slowly work your way around the edges. Don't force it, as this might crack or damage the overlay. If needed, place the new overlay onto the control board. Make sure the edges are even on all sides, and then push down to secure it. Align the control board in the mount, and replace the screws in two opposite corners. This will keep the control board in place. Now, replace the remaining screws. Finally, push the wire connectors in, but try not to use too much force, as this might crack the control board. Align the back panel and replace the screws. Now plug in the cord and push the range back into place. Next, reconnect the power. Now you can test your oven. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.